Cash App is one of the biggest finance apps out there, and I can honestly see why. With over 15 million downloads, it's pretty understandable why everyone's using this app. But what if I told you I was able to turn it into a passive money-making machine where I'm able to go ahead and make upwards of $100 per day for literally doing nothing? This is not a scam. This is not a plus app. No human verification. I'm going to show you guys the step-by-step method on how you guys can do this for yourselves. Let's go. Hey guys, Shiftry here. Welcome back to yet again another video, and today I'm going to be going over exactly how you guys can make money from Cash App. I'm super excited about this because this is the method that everyone is using, and I'm giving away for 100% free. Yes, you heard it here, 100% free, no cost at all. Just like subscribing to the channel and liking the video because it does help us out in the YouTube algorithm. But anyways, let's go ahead and get you guys paid. To get started, you guys want to go ahead and hop on your phone, head over to the Google Play Store or App Store, depending if you guys are on Android or iOS, and you want to go ahead and look up the app called Cash App. And if you guys have an account already, you want to go ahead and completely get rid of that one and start completely from scratch. When you guys are signing up for the app, you want to go ahead and type in the code NKLRGHL. That code is going to be giving you guys a free $5, and honestly, who doesn't like free money? So it's pretty much a no-brainer to go ahead and type it in when you guys are signing up. But just in case you guys actually forgot, head up to the top right where it actually has your icon, and then scroll all the way down, and it's going to say enter referral code. But for me, it doesn't show it because I had Cash App for a while, but I do recommend for you guys to go ahead and use that referral code because you'll be making a lot of money, and you can keep doing the process over and over again by making brand new accounts. But keep in mind, you will only get the $5 once you send $5 to a friend and actually link a bank card. So keep that in mind. It's actually really simple though. You can easily get the money and anybody can do this. So all you got to do is sign up with the code NKLRGHL, and you got to go ahead and send $5 to a friend. Could literally be anyone. They can send the money back, and you're going to go ahead and get an extra $5. So it's a no-brainer to sign up for Cash App. But you're probably wondering, how do you actually do this for yourselves? So if you want to start referring people to Cash App, this is a method that I've been able to go ahead and do, and let me show you guys the results. It's actually sickening how much money I'm making off of this, and it's pretty much untapped because no one wants to go ahead and put in any work anymore, and they're just literally so lazy, so they're unable to go ahead and make any of this money. So if I head over to here, you can see for inviting these 233 people, I just made $4,000. Yes, it is literally that easy to go ahead and make money from this app, and I highly recommend for you guys to get started. And in order to go ahead and get started, head up to the top right, and you guys are going to go and find your referral code. You're going to see where it says invite friends to go ahead and earn X amount of money. For you, you're going to probably have a $5 referral bonus. So each time you go ahead and recommend the app to someone, you're going to go ahead and get $5. But for the rare cases like me, I'm able to go ahead and get $20 per person that I refer, which is definitely paying for a lot of my bills and so on. And I'm just so excited that I was able to go ahead and get this working. And that just goes to show an online business, if you guys just go ahead and get started, you can easily make some quick and easy money. So when you guys take a look, it basically will tell you who's on Cash App and who isn't. So the ones with the check marks are people that are on Cash App already, and the people that do say invite to get $20 are actually not on the app. So you can actually send them a text message to go ahead and get on the app, and most likely if you can go ahead and convince them, and these are your friends, keep in mind, so you can just talk to them just like that. Unlike you guys, which are my subscribers and audience, it's a little bit harder to convince you guys, but your friends are super easy to convince to go ahead and sign up for something. If you go ahead and recommend it, they'll go ahead and sign up for it. So take a look at all these people I can invite. I'm just gonna go ahead and send them a text message, and I could literally just get started just like that. One feature that I do recommend for you guys to tell your friends about is going to be the Cash Card. So the Cash Card is pretty much Cash App's own debit card. You can use your Cash App balance, but take a look at this, guys. Look at all these rewards that no one is using. This is absolutely insane. You can get discounts on Starbucks, you can go ahead and get discounts on Uber, DoorDash, and literally you can get free Discord Nitro. Discord Nitro is 99% off, so it's literally free. I highly recommend signing up for the Cash Card. I highly recommend getting a physical Cash Card. It's really easy to get started with this, and you can get tons of savings. But what's going to make you guys money is the next method, which is going to be AdAole. AdAole is pretty much your #1 paid survey app, and it's actually the highest paying one. So let's check it out. When you guys first sign up for the app, you want to go ahead and type in the referral code dbfcm. That code is going to be giving you guys a free 50 cents. So now with this video, we're already up to $5.50. And if you guys don't like free money, I don't know what to tell you guys, but look at this. I already made $25+ and it's really easy. I can easily cash out to PayPal. I've done other transactions with them as well, as you can see here, and it's super easy to go ahead and earn money. Taking a look at the surveys, they're not hard at all, and you guys can easily take them. They also have another section all the way to the right where you can actually enter the referral code just in case you forgot, because I don't want you guys to miss out on that free money. But some of the cash out options are going to be PayPal, gift cards, and they do have Amazon, Home Depot, Fanatics, ASOS, and Walmart, which are pretty good options. But you guys are probably looking for free cash out money, so you definitely want to go ahead and cash out to PayPal, and you can literally deposit PayPal into Cash App. I should have a new video on that pretty soon, but you guys can see here that we do have a bunch of different options. We have charity, we can go ahead and donate it, or we could also cash it out to Revolut. But keep in mind, for PayPal, it is a $3 minimum, so you do have to go ahead and make a little bit of money so you can cash out. So that 50 cents is pretty much getting you guys a head start. But speaking of head starts, let me go ahead and take you guys to the next app, which is going to be Eureka. It's yet again another paid survey app, but you guys are going to like this one. Once you guys sign up for the app, you want to head over to the section where it does say referrals, and you want to type in the code GUDW4I. That code is going to be giving you guys a free dollar survey, and you guys can see pretty much how much I made off this app. It's literally $600 plus, which is definitely pretty impressive, especially when we're talking about a paid survey app. And the surveys are actually super easy. Take a look at this. They're going to go ahead and give us a free cent just for answering a poll. So my favorite type of pet is a dog, but I don't have any pets because I don't really have time to take care of them, and a lot of people actually agree with us, so we just got ourselves a free cent. And there's so many different surveys that you can easily complete. They don't take long at all, and it is highly advised that you easily go ahead and complete these to go ahead and make some quick and easy money. But keep in mind, guys, for AdAole and Eureka, you don't want to go ahead and answer randomly, because they will just go ahead and kick you guys off the app, and it's very unfortunate when that happens because it's pretty hard to go ahead and get on these apps in the first place. So don't go ahead and mess it up. Just go ahead and answer them very truthfully. But let's head over to rewards tab, where you guys can actually see everything that they're able to go ahead and cash you out in. They have PayPal, Visa, Amazon. They even have bank transfers as well, Target gift cards, Panera Bread, which honestly, guys, after this video I'm heading there, so I might have to go ahead and cash out my earnings from this app. And you can see I have already made $30 plus on this app already that I can easily cash out, and I can go ahead and afford some nice flatbread pizzas at Panera Bread. But all jokes aside, guys, we have a ton of different options to go ahead and cash out. The only downside of this app is the minimum payout is a little bit higher than AdAole at $5 compared to AdAole's where it's only $3. So that's something to go ahead and keep in mind if you guys are looking for quick and easy cash outs. You might want to go to AdAole, but I will say that Eureka has some pretty good paid surveys, and you also can go ahead and play games and actually earn money. They had one time where you're able to go and get to level 999 on Candy Crush, and you can easily get paid $250 in a day. So if gaming is your thing, then definitely go ahead and check out Eureka. But let me show you guys some more things, because I know you guys are so eager to earn more money. Heading back to Cash App, I want to touch more upon how exactly do you promote these links. We already talked about text messages, but if you guys are still watching this video, you're probably interested in the affiliate marketing bit of Cash App and how am I able to go ahead and make so much money and how you guys can do it too. And the simple answer is you want to head over to different forums, different areas where you can go ahead and promote your Cash App link. And I highly recommend that you guys just talk to your friends first off, because those are the easiest ones to go ahead and get to download this app. But then secondary, you want to go ahead and talk to people in different forums, send out your link, and just make sure your link is out there, especially if you have one of the higher paying referrals. It's going to be super easy to go ahead and make money with this, and all you got to go ahead and do is promote it. So I'm able to go ahead and do this on social media. I know everyone can't do this, but simply me hopping on YouTube and actually making videos about Cash App and tutorials, I'm easily able to go ahead and make a lot of passive income simply by having people download the app, check it out based on my recommendation, and I'm able to go ahead and make a lot of money just doing that. And it's pretty much passive. I'm basically making around $60 to $80 per day doing this, and honestly I'd never seen such a crazy scenario, because realistically this shouldn't be working like this, but anybody can do it if you guys go ahead and try. For our last method, it's going to be to hop on Twitter, aka X. Dang it, Elon. But seriously, we actually do have Cash App, and they're also on Twitter, which you would think they wouldn't be doing much over here, but they're literally giving away free money. They have like $10,000 trivia nights, and it's actually super easy to go ahead and win these because you can literally just look up the answers. So all you got to go ahead and do is enter, and you can have a chance to win $40,000 per month just by answering basic questions that you could use ChatGPT to go ahead and answer. I highly advise checking out Cash App on Twitter because this is probably one of the most profitable things you can do on this app. Besides, well, actually you can't really make money with this app normally, so this is actually one of the first methods that you guys can go ahead and do to earn some extra cash with Twitter. But overall, I'm pretty happy with this experience. Let me know down in the comment section below, what do you guys think about all these methods on how to earn free money with Cash App? Was it helpful? And do you guys need some extra money? Let me know down in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys next time in the next video for Shift Rate Reviews.